gonna make some chicken waffles tonight for supper. Just gonna bread some chicken and make some waffles with some syrup on it. Never made that before, so we will see how that tastes. Never thought waffles and chicken goes together, but that's what Corey wanted, so we will find out. Yeah, look guys, we got a beautiful campsite for tonight. We've never been here before, so we happened to stumble by that place last week when we were driving around and fell in love with it, so now here we are. I think it's looking good. Yeah. Can't wait to fry chicken waffles with syrup. Well, it's a beautiful Saturday morning here at our campsite. I wanted to show you guys what Corey found, and honestly, I never thought it was tasting as good as it does. It's called Sour Patch Ghost energy drink. So, and I really like the berry kind. Corey likes the orange. So, I'm gonna have some of this morning. But my gosh, it's so beautiful today. I think we're gonna take a little walk over on the other side. So we had a good night. We had a cat that would not go away, will visit us yesterday. I don't know, he finally took off, but I was gonna keep him, but Corey said no way. But yep, just gonna take a little walk. What a beautiful day, my gosh. It's getting spoiled right now. And then next week we're gonna have snow. Crazy. Pretty how the sun reflects on the water. So pretty. Peaceful. Oh. Wow, looks like the pipe broke there. Look at all them trees down there. Must have been a heck of a storm that came through here.
Must have pumped water out.
Yeah.
Exercise ring closed.
Huh. I bet water was probably before up here. Look at those big pipes.
Yeah, for some reason they pumped water out in here.
Wow. They're walking away. Whoa. They are not happy. Whoa, they're like, you are in our territory, get away. So long as they don't start coming chasing after you. Whoa. Not happy with us. Oh, oh, there they go. Not happy. Whoa! There they go. They are not happy with us.
We really like this little lake. We just got back from a 3-mile hike this morning.
And I believe we're going to be closing this one out, and we will see you the next time we get out of the house.